Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. This is a training video session and I'm receiving much questions from my friends, from the people that I know about the trading, what is it and how they can start, and I decided to start a new playlist on this channel by explaining you guys how you can start it. So this is our first trading session. On this session I'll try to explain you what is the trading view, candles and so on. So let's start from the beginning. What is the trading is? Basically, by simplifying it, is the buying and selling something, right? What is the financial trading is? Is buying and selling financial assets in the financial market. And who the trader is? Trader is the guy who is involved on this process. So you can meet the trades everywhere when you, for example, buying pair of shoes or buying something, some goods or services. This is a trading. You're giving money and you're receiving something. Let me give you one example. Let's say you bought a house for $100,000 and you decided to sell them for 120,000. So this 20,000 going to be your unrealized profit, and after you're selling it, you sold it for 120 and this 20 become your profit, realized profit. And same situation can be the other way around. The market collapsed, right? The house market is collapsed. Let's say example of 2008, right? Where there was a crisis and the market just collapsed. So the house that you bought for 100,000 is now worth 80,000 or 70,000. So this 80,000 is your unrealized loss. So like 20,000 bucks is your unrealized loss because you still didn't sold it and you're still keeping it as your asset. And now you're expecting that situation going to be worth, and you decided to sell it for 80,000. So now this 20,000 is your realized loss. So you're losing from this flipping the house is 20,000. This is one example from the, this is just a random example. And now let's come to the chart. Yep. As an example, let me say this is a chart, right? Because this is how it moves. And let's say you have $100. Let me change the color so it will be more visible. Yep. Let's say you have $100 and you decided that you want to invest this money into the market. Yep. You seeing that this is a good place to buy it, and you're seeing that this is a dip, right? Say the price here is the $100 as well, so our calculation will be simple. You bought it here, right, and you sold it here, yeah, and here the price is $200, right? Sorry for my drawing. Yeah, so this is a $200, and this action gonna call long. You're longing the position up, right? We call it long. On this trade, your profit gonna be what? Your profit gonna be $100. So simply because the price is doubling and your profit is doubling as well. So now you have a $200. So you made extra $100 from this profit, right? You're longing the position. Okay, so I want you to keep it in your mind that this called long. And same, let's say you're expecting that the price will go down. You are here, right? And here, as we know, the price is 200 and your initial deposit is $100. So you're entering the market here and you're expecting that the price will go down. Yep, and you're leaving your market, closing your position here when the price come to $100. So this movement we're calling short. So basically you're shorting the position, right? Your profit going to be same because the price decrease it by double, and your profit going to be $100 because your initial deposit is the $100. And let's take a look at the bad scenario that may happen with everyone, right? Because still this is a market and it's not predictable completely. Let me go over a graph. And your initial deposit is still $100. Yep. You're expecting that the price will go up, and we are here. You're longing the position. As we know, long means like the price have to go up. This is your prediction, right? But somehow your technical analysis become a bit bad or a bit weak, right? And the price drop. The price shows a bit drop here, and we're coming to the price of 50. Now what happened with the deposit? Since you put all your money inside of this trade, and now your deposit become to 50 because the price dropped, and this is like double lose of your money. It's just double. So hope this my explanation is understandable for everyone, right? This is like simply, and hope you understand it. So same other way around, right? You're expecting that the price to go down. Yep, you're going here to the short, right? You're saying that it will short it. You're shorting the position, but the price go up. Yep. So same what happened with your initial deposit. It will just blow to a 50%. Alright, so deposit now is $50. Okay, this is simple explanation of your trade, how it can be, how it possible movements, and now let's go on. Alright, now let's come to the chart. Alright, so this is a trading view. This is a website where you can see all your trades, and I mean not see all your trades, where you can see the charts. You can open any chart you want with any financial instrument. You can find a stocks here. Alright, let me go from the beginning. Alright, trading. Okay, trading view. This is what you'll see when you open up a trading view. It goes tradingview.com. I will leave a link on the description. Alright, here you can take a look by yourself. Right, so by clicking the chart here, you're going to the chart section. Right, here you can choose any instrument you want that you want to trade. Right, any stocks you want. You can see the stocks, futures, forex, CFD, crypto, index, and economy. Alright, for us, as we're trying to trade on the crypto, we're going to crypto. Let me go to Luna and USDT. Right, how the instrument is working. Luna is the first one because you want to see it on the USDT. Right, you want to see the Luna to the USDT. So you're typing the Luna and USDT. You're choosing the Binance. Yep, and here we are. What is the instrument that you can use for this graph? Alright, let's move from the beginning. This is a time frame. Alright, 5 minutes. Let's click a 1 day. So when we're making the 1 day, give me a second. This is our 1 day graph. So what does it mean? Each candle that you see here, each of them, right, this candle is the 1 day movement candle, and all the books was written to describe you daily candle moves, because all the technical analysis are used to the daily charts. So same thing for your technical analysis, you can fit for the minutes and hourly. So when you are a day trader, what you're doing at the beginning before you start your trades, so you're opening a daily chart, you're putting your analysis here, you're putting your technical analysis, you're drawing the lines, and you're putting the levels that can be like important levels, because mainly the smaller time frame are moving behind the higher time frame. So let's go to the lower time frame. Let's say 5 minutes time frame. I'm trying to record this video with the one shot, so everything gonna be pretty understandable for you. Yeah. So this is a 5 minute time frame. What does it mean? Same thing as I explained you before. Each candle here are 5 minutes. So one candle is 5 minutes. And these candles, we'll call them the candlestick, the Japanese candle. So for example, if you're saying that you cannot analyze this graphic and you want to see the line graphic, you just clicking here and moving to the area, right? So by clicking the area, you can see this type of chart. Mainly for the traders, and most of the traders, let's say, they're using the candlestick chart, right? The candles, because this is pretty more understandable, and most of the technical analysis are fitting this chart, right? So what's the history behind this chart? These candles were introduced to the world in early 18th century, I guess, right? And the firstly it was a Japanese rice trader who made this graph and who started doing it. And to the Western world, it was introduced in like 20 years ago. Yes, like this century was introduced. So yes, guys, this is a simply basic explanation, and this is it for our first training session. And let me just conclude everything what we covered. We covered what the trading is. We covered that you can use this trading view for your all charts, for the stocks, cryptocurrencies, economies, and indexes. You can use this trading view application. Is very good application. Is very good website. And we covered what is the trading, what is the chart, what is the time frame, candles. Hope you understand these parts, and I will see you on the next videos.